Namaskar, I'm Durga Ganguly and you're watching Climate Summary. Here we bring you the top headlines of the week from the solar industry. Government planning to rope in global firm to set up manufacturing units for solar cells, batteries and charging infrastructures. Economic survey outlines blueprint to boost renewable energy in India. Solar scheme to assure rupees 1 lakh income for the farmers. Lightsource BP makes major Brazil solar acquisition. Telepolis goes green, signs pact to implement rooftop solar energy system. Will achieve target of 175 gigawatt renewable power by 2022, says Renewable Energy Minister R K Singh. The Union Budget proposals presented by Finance Minister on 5th July 2019 were appreciated by All India Solar Industries Association. Hanergy backs 400 megawatt solar power station project in DR Congo. Himachal Pradesh targets rupees 85,000 crores funds for renewables, infra, transport. Abu Dhabi commercializes the world's largest single solar power project. That's all for this week. Have green days ahead. If you like our initiative of spreading the green news, then please do like, subscribe and follow our channel.